Dear students, this is a production part. See how the X-rays are producing. That is, due to high potential difference, the electrons emitting from the filament, that time the electrons are accelerated. When these electrons are accelerated very fastly, strike to the target, that time they losing the kinetic energy, that is the energy is losing, that time is producing X-rays. That is, when high speed electrons are strike to the target, they are deaccelerated very suddenly. That time the loss of kinetic energy, as a result X-rays or photons. Photons means like a light are producing. I repeat again, generally when X-rays are producing, already when a fastest electrons are strike to the target, that time they losing the kinetic energy, the X-rays are produced. It's a very important question. It is a I repeat again. See, with the help of this high tension battery, the filament is emitting some. Actually, this filament is low tension battery, electrons are ejecting. With the help of high tension battery, these electrons are accelerating. Due to high potential difference, these electrons are accelerated. When these accelerated electrons strike the target, that is hit the target, the time they losing the kinetic energy, and thereby this producing like an X-rays. See, that time this place is very hot. Actually, this place is very hot. Heat will be producing here. So here some coolant system is there, that is filled with water. So this place coolant system filled with water.